Chemical properties of alkaline earth metals. First, we shall discuss about the reactivity towards air and water. Beryllium and magnesium are inert to oxygen and water. It is because of the oxide formation on the surface. Beryllium gives beryllium oxide BeO and beryllium nitride Be3N2. Magnesium gives magnesium oxide MgO and magnesium nitride Mg3N2. Calcium, strontium and barium readily forms oxide and nitride. They react with water to form hydroxides. For example, we know that calcium reacts with water to give calcium hydroxide and hydrogen. Next, we shall discuss the reactivity towards halogens. Alkaline earth metals or group 2 elements react with halogens to give halides of the formula MX2. For example, magnesium reacts with chlorine to give magnesium chloride MgCl2. Next, we shall see how is beryllium fluoride BeF2 prepared. It is prepared by the thermal decomposition of NH4 twice BeF4. Beryllium chloride BeCl2 is prepared by the reaction of beryllium oxide with carbon and chlorine. The byproduct obtained is carbon monoxide. Reactivity towards hydrogen. Group 2 elements react with hydrogen to give the corresponding hydride. For example, magnesium reacts with hydrogen to give magnesium hydride MgH2. Next, we shall see how beryllium hydride BeH2 is prepared. It is prepared by the reaction of beryllium chloride with lithium aluminium hydride LiAlH4. Along with BeH2, the products obtained are lithium chloride and aluminium chloride. Reactivity towards acids. We know that metals react with acids to give salt and hydrogen. Therefore, when an alkaline earth metal reacts with an acid, hydrogen gas will be liberated. Now, how can we write the general reaction equation if the metal reacts with hydrochloric acid? M plus 2HCl gives MCl2 plus H2. Now, how can we write the reaction equation if magnesium reacts with hydrochloric acid? Mg plus 2HCl gives MgCl2 plus hydrogen H2. Reducing nature. Alkaline earth metals act as strong reducing agents. It is indicated by their large negative E0 values. The reducing power is found to be less than those of alkali metals. The reducing nature of beryllium is due to its large hydration enthalpy. Since beryllium ion is the smallest, the reducing nature of beryllium is due to its large hydration enthalpy. Solutions in liquid ammonia. We know that alkali metals dissolve in liquid ammonia. In a similar way, alkaline earth metals also dissolve in liquid ammonia. The color of the solution obtained in this case is deep blue-black. Now, how can we write the reaction equation? M plus X plus Y ammonia gives MNH3X times 2 plus 2E ammonia Y times minus. General characteristics of compounds of alkaline earth metals. First, we shall discuss about oxides and hydroxides. Group 2 elements form monoxides of the formula MO. For example, magnesium forms magnesium oxide MgO. Beryllium oxide is covalent and is amphoteric in nature. Amphoteric means the oxide can react with an acid as well as with a base. Other oxides are ionic and they are basic in nature. We know that metal oxides are basic in nature. Oxide reacts with water to give the corresponding hydroxide. For example, calcium oxide reacts with water to give calcium hydroxide. Solubility, thermal stability as well as basicity of hydroxides increase with increasing atomic number. Alkaline earth metal hydroxides are less basic than alkali metal hydroxides. For example, if we consider sodium hydroxide and calcium hydroxide, sodium hydroxide being an alkali metal hydroxide will be more basic than calcium hydroxide. Beryllium hydroxide is amphoteric in nature, so it can react with an acid as well as with a base. Now, how can we write the reaction equations? BeOH twice plus 2OH minus gives BeOH 4 times 2 minus. BeOH twice plus 2HCl plus 2H2O gives BeOH 4 times Cl2.